Hello everyone. Today we will start with the new chapter, that is linear equation in two variable. Before we will take exercise 4.1, we will see little bit concept of the linear equation in two variable. The general equation or the linear equation or the standard form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c equals 0. Ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a and b should not be equals to 0. The coefficient of x and y should not be equals to 0. अगर वो 0 हो जाएगा then c equals to 0 बन जाएगा, then it will not be a linear equation in two variable. Then whole term will become 0 if a and b value is 0. So this is the linear equation, and a and b can be any real numbers. किसी भी टाइप के नंबर्स हो सकते हैं, but it should have a variable, two variable x and y. Okay, but the coefficient can be any real number. किसी भी टाइप का नंबर हो सकता है, डेसिमल हो जाए, रिपीटिंग हो जाए, किसी भी टाइप का नंबर हो जाए. That will be like, I am taking the example. Suppose that this is written. Is it a linear equation in two variable? Yes, because the coefficient of x and y are not equals to 0, isn't it? Coefficient of x and y are not equals to 0, therefore it is a linear equation. Same way, if we will take the number like this, 3.3x plus 2y minus 10, then also it will be a linear equation in two variable. Coefficient of x and y can be any real number. Okay, so this is a linear equation in two variable. Now we will proceed for question 1 from 4.1. Question is the cost of a, question 1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write the linear equation in two variable. So notebook is cost is twice of pen. So let the cost of a pen equal rupees x, and let the cost of a notebook, since we are talking about the two variables, so we will represent it with two variable, rupees y. Now according to question, you have to shift it in two variable. The notebook cost is twice of a pen. So according to this, notebook is, we have taken it as y, is equals to 2x, isn't it? Now to convert it in a linear form, standard form, or the general equation which we have written it, so that is ax plus by plus c. So x term minus y equals to 0. So this is the linear equation in two variable. Is it clear? In the question they have given the hint, take the notebook cost as x. So आप इसको interchange भी कर सकते हो, but in your exam you will not get any type of hint. Okay. Question 2. Question 2 is, express the following linear equation in the form of ax. You have to express it in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and then you have to find out the value of a, b and c. First part, 2x plus 3y equal 9.35 bar. So write it in this form. It will become 2x plus 3y. Shift this on the same side. It will come like this. So can you compare these two together to get the value of a, b, c? Yes, after comparing it, a value will be the coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y, and what about c? देखिए यहाँ पे प्लस है, plus sign is there, so this is minus, so the value of c is minus 3.5 bar. ठीक है, because the standard equation, linear equation, is in the plus form. Second part. In second part, they have written like this. So, in this question, either you can take its LCM first to make it proper linear form. So, it will come as, by taking its LCM, it will come as like this. Isn't it? And then 5 will go over here, so it will become 0. Now you can compare it, a equal 5, b equal, compare it with positive, minus 1, because यहाँ पर 1 लिखा है, and c equal minus 50. Clear? Next part. Like this you can do any part. I am taking the fourth one. Fourth is x equal 3y. How will you convert it in linear form? Again shift it. X minus 3y equals 0. Okay? So compare it with this. A equal coefficient of x, it is 1. B is minus 3. And what about c? C तो है ही नहीं दिया हुआ, so that is 0. I have already written over here a and b should not be equals to 0. C can be equals to 0. Okay. Now, next is sixth part. Sixth part, 3x plus 2 equals 0. Question is, express it in the form of linear. Express it in the form of linear. So, how will you express it? How will you express? कैसे लिखेंगे? 3x, y variable is not there, so you can write it like this, isn't it? Though this is not linear equation in 2 variable, but the question is that express it in that form, so you can write it in this form. Now you can compare it. Y value is not there, so we have written it 0 into y. So compare it, a equals 3, b equals 0 and c equals 2. Clear? Now one more part I am going to take it, that is 7th. In 7th, it is written y minus 2 equals 0. So again express it in the linear form. X value is not there. So you can rewrite it 0 into x plus y minus 2 equals 0. Now a equals 0, b equal 1 and c equal minus 2. आपको जनरल लीनियर फॉर्म ax plus by plus c equals to 0 के साथ कंपेयर करना है. I am taking one more, fifth part. In fifth part, it is written 2x equal minus 5y. 2x equal minus 5y. How will you do this one? 2x equal minus 5y. Again shift it. 2x plus 5y equals 0. Now, a equal 2, b equal 5 and c equals 0. Isn't it? It's quite easy. First exercise is quite easy for all of you. So, for today only this much. In the next class, we will start with exercise 4.2. Thank you.